In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate Expedia while ensuring that your settings are aligned with the correct currency for your travel needs. We'll ensure that everything is set up properly, so you can focus on planning your trip without any hassle. All right, let's dive right in. First things first, let's head over to the Expedia website. You can use your preferred web browser for this. Open a new tab and type in the web address for Expedia. Once you're there, you'll notice that the homepage is neatly organized with options to explore flights, hotels, car rentals, and even packages for your upcoming trips. Now, before getting carried away with all the exciting options, it's important to make sure that your settings are adjusted to the correct currency. This ensures you're seeing the correct rates and making accurate bookings without any surprises regarding currency conversion or additional fees later on. To adjust the currency, look towards the top right corner of the page where you'll usually find options related to your account or settings. There should be a currency indicator, often highlighted with a symbol such as USD for United States dollar, EUR for euro, or GBP for British pound, among others. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu. Since we're working with the example of USD today, go ahead and select USD or choose your preferred currency if it's different. It's a simple step, but it's crucial because the region you select will automatically match the currency, which helps in avoiding any confusion during your checkout process. Once you've made the selection, the page might refresh, which is perfectly normal. This just ensures that everything on the page aligns with the currency and region you've chosen. Now you're all set. You can confidently proceed with browsing and booking your travel arrangements on Expedia, knowing everything is set to your specifications. That's it. You're done with the setup. With these settings in place, whenever you book a flight, hotel, or any other travel-related service through Expedia, you'll have the peace of mind that the prices are displayed in the currency you're comfortable with, reducing any potential stress over conversion rates or additional charges. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've tailored the Expedia website to suit your personal needs, enabling a smoother and clearer process as you plan your next adventure. Remember, setting your currency preference is just the first step in making your travel planning effortless and fun. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you found this guide both helpful and easy to follow. Safe travels, and don't forget to explore.